Ay mama, tabi mo nalipat ko nga Mother's Day subong. Ginakapasagay ka panawag. Wala ko na ginasabat kay syempre gina-save ko nga ma-send ko sa mo video. But remembering my childhood, madumduman ko nga sang gamay ko nang excited ko for magpuli sa balay kung maski mag-quiz lang ko 1 to 10 basta 1 mistake lang ko or perfect ko kay ginapakita ko gid mo tapos i-appreciate mo gid ko. So I was like, you know, growing up na to do good sa tanan ko ginaubra kay I wanna hear your appreciation nga gina-put up mo ko for me, gina-pull up mo for me. So you know, then unconsciously it was with me nga the whole time of giving the best if I could when I do think it's because I always see you smile and I see you happy, and I realized today that maybe like unconsciously whenever I see you happy, I'm at my happiest. So happy Mother's Day. I'm blessed and I thank God nga ikaw ang naging mama ko, because hindi mula ko di ko hindi tungod sa imo. So even if I may not be on the top of the world and I struggle a lot, you're always my inspiration to stand up and to continue what I love to do. That's what you've always say na parang be patient lang. So be patient man ma, because you know in God's time, not our time, things will unfold beyond what you have imagined. It's not even happiness, but it's joy. It's joy. The Lord is gonna give it to us in the perfect timing. So I hope na you're happy, and I want you to know that successful kami tanan nga mga bata mo because of your hard work and ang tanan nga values nga itudlo mo sa and will forever carry. Again, wala ko diri ko hindi tungod sa imo. So we love you, and don't think nga wala ka namon nga kadumduman, because every day, every lakat namon hindi kami makagiyo kung hindi tungod sa ginbulig mo gid kag pagplanta ka sa amin. Bye bye, happy Mother's Day. Ting.